One moment, listen please. The moment you are intention, you will lose your attention. Then you are in total confusion and you will feel irritation. Then you will spoil personal relation. Ultimately, you won't get cooperation. Then you will make things complication. Then your blood pressure may raise caution and you may have to take medication. Instead, understand the situation and to try to think about the solution. Many problems will be solved by discussion. This will work out better in your profession. Don't think it's my free suggestion. It's only for your prevention. If you understand my intention, you will never come again to tension. Bill Gates.